Hello, I'm Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. This time it's also useful for storing radishes. I would like to introduce a very simple takuan. Let's start with takuan. When it comes to store-bought items, you might be concerned about the hardness or the use of colorants and additives, right? I also feel the same way from time to time. There are many things that you can't get your hands on with store-bought items. However, if you make it yourself, you can really feel at ease. Moreover, if it's homemade, you can adjust it to your own superior taste. That's why. This time, I would like to introduce a sweet and sour dish called Asari Takuan style that I would like to add to our daily meals. The method of making it is really simple. Please watch until the end. Wellness Kitchen begins with food as its anchoring theme. We will continue to deliver information that will make your mind and body healthy. Please subscribe to our channel. Wash the amount of radish you want to use and set it aside. It's a simple recipe where you just prepare the seasoning according to the amount of radish. When you're going to cut the radish. This time I'm using a Ziploc storage bag, so I cut the radish into sizes that are easy to put in this storage bag. I completely drain them, okay? This time I think I want to make it half the length. Please cut the radish to fit the size of the radish and the size of the bag. This time, the radish is a bit smaller, so I cut it in half to this size. However, in terms of ease of use, I think it's good to cut it to about a quarter of the size. This part is thin, so I think I want to cut it in half. I've cut the radish to a size that's easy to put in the bag. I'll use it at this time. I measure the amount of radish and prepare the amount of seasoning accordingly. I put the radish in the bag as planned. I measure the radish. There's about 1.5 pounds. I calculate the seasoning based on this number, so please prepare the seasoning according to the weight of the radish when you make it yourself. A lot of radish, very refreshing. The ingredients for the sweet and sour are as follows. This is the radish we measured. We have 1.5 pounds this time, so we are calculating based on this. The ratio of vinegar to soy sauce is 3:7, so 21 for vinegar and 21 for soy sauce. The sugar is kept to a minimum to maintain the sweetness. We are calculating at 5%. For those who like it sweeter, would you prefer 8 to 10%? It's quite a lot over here. It's a cloth. You can use any cloth, but this time we are using a cut cloth. It's quite a lot for those who have it at home. It's a cloth for use. If you have it, please prepare about 3.937 inches. Even if you don't put it in, it's okay. You can add your favorite things like skin and nails. It's quite a lot. Next, just put all the seasonings in the Ziploc. It really becomes a simple and easy dish. Yes, the rest is just brown sugar. Vinegar goes in and then kombu is added. Please use your favorite vinegar and sugar and then mix everything together. Water will naturally come out from the radish, so it might not seem like the seasoning is mixing in at all for now, but as more water comes out, it will be fine. This time we're using radish, but you can also use cucumber, carrot, celery, and it will still turn out delicious. Please try it with other vegetables as well, yes. While removing the air, close the Ziploc bag tightly. If you're worried about water leakage, it's reassuring to put it in a simple bag like this and double it. Keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 days to a week, and you can eat it from about 3 days. However, if you want to marinate it thoroughly, please wait for about a week. And if you start eating from about the 3rd day and keep it in the refrigerator, the taste will gradually deepen. Enjoy the change in taste. Please look forward to it. Here is a bag that has passed a week. It's double bagged just in case, but there was no issue of liquid coming out. It was fine with just the Ziploc storage bag. It's like this, isn't it? Just like a daikon radish that's been sun-dried, the water naturally comes out and the daikon shrinks down and gets packed in tightly. It's really just been sitting in the refrigerator, that's all. Anyway, it's good. I'm getting into the feel of it. And it's really simple. I just cut it into thick slices and tried it. I used it in a simple dish, tasted it, and I think it's delicious. After about a week, the flavor really soaks in. Thank you. I'm using it thoroughly for flavoring. It's really simple with just soy sauce, vinegar, rock sugar, and cut kelp. Despite this, it turns out really well. It's like this. Just put it in a storage bag and let it sit. It's really simple. From around the third day, you can use it as a morning meal. I've been soaking it for a week this time, but it's like this. I think it's also very useful for preserving radishes. You can cut the skin and put it in, or even put in something like a claw and finish it off with a dash. I think it's okay to use something instead of rock sugar. It's quite alright. If you use your favorite type of vinegar, I think it will become something different again. Please give it a try. This time it's very simple. Only good ingredients for the body are used. I introduced a lot of simple recipes. The flavor is also a lot like the ones sold in the market. The sweetness is also kept to a minimum, so I think it goes well with rice. Please try making it. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in another video. Thank you for listening.